Creating tags in Zendesk is a useful way to organize and categorize tickets, making it easier to track and manage customer interactions. Here's how to create and use tags in Zendesk. Access ticket fields. Go to the Zendesk Admin Center by clicking the gear icon in the sidebar. Navigate to Object and Rules, Tickets, Fields. Add a custom field. Click Add Field and select drop-down or multi-select for fields where you want to apply tags. Name the field and define the options. Assign tags to options. For each option in the custom field, assign a tag. For example, the billing option could have the tag billing_issue. This tag will be added to tickets whenever this option is selected. Save changes. After defining the options and tags, click Save to apply the changes. Tagging tickets manually. You can also add tags manually to individual tickets. Open a ticket, scroll down to the tags field on the right sidebar and type in the tags you want to add. Press Enter after each tag. Automate tagging. Use triggers and automations to add tags based on specific conditions. For instance, create a trigger that adds the urgent tag to tickets with high priority. Go to Admin Center, Objects and Rules, Triggers, and set the conditions and actions to apply the tags automatically. Search and reporting. Use tags to filter tickets in views and generate reports. This helps in tracking specific issues and analyzing trends.